but we are having one of the hottest year in Japan. Usually, if I have like long sleeve, like what I'm wearing, it's enough. But I'm already sweating because it's so hot. So this year we have very hot year in temperature wise. So but at evening or in the morning, it can be a little bit chilly. So I can see many of you wearing some layers on top, so which is a good choice for you. If you do not have any layers that you can wear on top of your shirt, the hotel we are staying tonight, more or less they have some shops around. So I'm not saying you can just go talk to your teacher first and get permission if teacher says yes. But if they said, even if they said no, don't, it's not my fault. So when you are in Japan, and if you feel like I'd like to have a bottle of water, I'd like to have Coke and so on, we have vending machines everywhere. Like if you walk 2 minutes, you can find 5 vending machines. And then I don't know how vending machines are popular in your country. We have 43 different nationalities this time. So even those who came from a country who has lots of vending machines on the street, maybe you feel like, oh, of course we know how to use it. But some countries, vending machines are not really popular. But when you go to vending machines, be sure that you have money, of course. You can use up to 1,000 yen note bill. If you have 2,000 yen, 5,000 yen, 10,000 yen, you often cannot use it. So 1,000 or coins is good for you. Then if you put enough money, usually a bottle of water should be like 120 yen. If you like to have sort of like sodas or tea, can be 150, 180, 200, depends on what you want. But if you put enough money, little buttons at vending machine will be lighted with red color, orange color, different colors. Then you can press button and water comes from the bottom. Then you can have it. Do not forget to get change. Vending machines give you change. And then if you see blue colors in front of the sample of the water, that means cold water. If you see orange color in front of, for example, can of coffee, that is hot coffee. Yes. Usually we have cold drinks on this time of the season, but this is also the autumn season when the time we change our season from summer to winter. So some vending machines already have hot drinks as well. Usually you cannot really buy alcoholic drinks from vending machines, so do not worry about it. But when you go to 7-Eleven, for example, we have shops called convenience stores. Then popular ones, we have 3 popular convenience stores. One is 7-Eleven, one is Family Mart, and one is Lawson. Those are the 3 big names. And then if you go to those shops, you can basically find everything. So not only talking about drinks, if you want to try Japanese snacks like chocolates, gummies, and so on, you can find it. If you want to try Japanese onigiri rice balls, you can also have those. Try one, you will like it. And if you forget your socks when you open your luggage and you realize that you forgot your socks, go to 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven has socks as well. I have some experience back in when I was young. I prepared everything and I left everything at home, and just me came to the destinations. So in that case, 7-Eleven or Lawson Family Mart helps you. But on the other side, if you go to 7-Eleven, you can also find beer, the one called shochu, cocktails, and so on. And label of those alcoholic drinks sometimes can be very fancy. It looks like just like apple juice or orange juice. So if it's read the can or label to be sure that there is no text saying alcohol, or if it says 5%, that can be alcoholic drinks. So that's something probably teachers needs to have responsibility. But often, it's not often, but when I have a student group coming to Japan and running a tour, for example, sometimes students come to me and ask me, "Hey Taiku, is it alcohol? It contains alcohol or not?" And it says yes, alcohol. So usually non-alcohol drinks is sold in one section, and beer, wine are separated. So if you can be very careful, you won't be in trouble on that way. Basic greetings, because you are going to meet Japanese students as well. Does anyone know basic greetings like good morning? Yes, Ohayo or Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo, just like if you didn't know Ohio, it's just like a state of Ohio in the States. Ohio. And this is very important.
Ohio.
Ohio. If you say Ohio, that means thank you. If you say Ohayo gozaimasu, that can be like thank you very much, more polite. So when you meet someone very first time, Ohayo gozaimasu with a long sentence is a little bit better.
Ohio.
And then maybe at the end of the session with the Japanese student groups, you can just shorten it as arigato. Arigato is thank you. So if you say arigato, thank you, arigato gozaimasu, thank you very much. Ohayo, good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu, so also good morning, but in more polite way. Arigato, ohayo. Yeah, start with those two. Very important. But the thing is that some people look very tired. Tired. Yeah, looks very tired. Some people very excited.